Welcome to A Village Locksmith, located at 6926 Erie Road in Derby, New York. We service the greater western New York and northwestern Pennsylvania markets as your complete locksmith service. We pride ourselves on quality service with our well-stocked store, top-notch installation team, industry know-how, and our mobilized vans ready for constant and quick dispatch. We represent the best in locks, security equipment, safes, vaults, and monitoring equipment, as well as safe boxes and key replacement and key duplication. We now feature state-of-the-art laser cut keys, one extra way to make sure your important keys are cut properly. We are a AAA authorized agent, ready to help you in those unfortunate car lockout situations. Our mobile vans are ready. Call us in emergencies 24/7 at 1-866-453-7233. Our store is open Monday through Saturday, or call 716-906-8123 with your inquiry. Please feel free to visit us on the web at www.avillagelocksmith.com.